What's up YouTube? Crafting Cars here. Today I'm visiting my parents' house. We're going to be installing a brand new thermostat in a 2014 Nissan XTERRA. Let's get it, gamers. So here we can look inside the old one. You can see it is stuck open completely. That is no good. That is why the car wasn't warming up the temp, especially at stoplights.
To install the plug, simply insert the tip into the hole and start the screw. And if it's not going in right, back out a little bit because that don't feel right. That's money right there. Simply snug. Whoops, until firm. That's pretty firm. And maybe one more quarter turn just to snug it up. Not too tight. Not too tight. This is plastic.
Alright, so we just got back from O'Reilly's. We got the brand new thermostat and the thermostat housing. Got the new gasket and some RTV. So we put a small amount of RTV on there, and that's going to help keep the gasket in place during installing this thing. So that right there is where it's going to mount up.
We'll need the extension for this one. Wow, I cannot see. By golly, I got on her. Didn't even try. We just have a knack for mechanics. Let's just go around the block again and make sure they're all snug again, not too tight, because if you do too tight, it ain't gonna wreck me right. Oh, you scumbag. Motherfucker. Oh, get on there, hole. I find that sometimes when we talk to the bolts, I finesse them a little bit. You're a good woman. You're not recording it.
So now the new one is completely installed.
Now all that's left to do is hook these big hoses back up, all these coolant hoses back up, clamps on right, engine air cleaner cover back on, and then we're good to go.
It's just that simple.
Just that easy.
So this is the coolant we're running. It's the Asian vehicle antifreeze. Works with Honda, Hyundai, Nissan, and Subarus. In this case, we've got a Nissan XTERRA, so this is what we'll be using.
Before you do this, you gotta make sure the drain plug is in, which you've seen previously. You did insert it back in. If not, you'd have a hell of a mess. I believe the capacity for this XTERRA is 2.5 gallons of antifreeze. You won't be using as much because there's still some left over in the engine. So I'm thinking about maybe 2 gallons. Once that comes bubbling up, it helps get the air out of it. So we refilled the radiator to the proper level. We're getting any heat at first. Took it around the block, let it circulate a little bit. Boom, we got heat. Came back, a little short on antifreeze, refilled it to the maximum level. We're actually right in between the minimum and maximum level. It's maintaining heat, it's hot, maintaining temperature, good to go. Not only did I get fresh coolant in the system, but I fixed it myself, which gives us some pride. Also got brand new thermostat in there, so we should be ready for the winter. So if you like what you see here today, if it helped you in any way, if you're entertained, subscribe, please. Hit that like button. Alright? Till the next time.
Stay tuned.
Stay tuned, baby.